Hi fashion lovers, in today's video we're exploring different styles of crochet and knitting dresses, two unique fashion categories that offer endless beauty and comfort. You are welcome back to Joy's Fashion World, and if you are coming across this channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. This is Joy's Fashion World, where style meets creativity, and on this channel we share sewing tutorials, style inspiration, tips and tricks. If this is what you want, you definitely have to click on the subscribe button and keep on watching till the end. Thank you. Let's start with crotch dresses. These styles are known for their loose fitting shape and relaxed look, often designed with flowing fabric that drapes beautifully on the body. You will find crotch dresses in various lengths, from short and playful to long and elegant, making them a great choice for both casual wear and special occasions. These outfits are specially loved for their comfort and versatility, and they can be styled with simple accessories or bold statement piece depending on your mood. Moving on to knitting dresses, these are perfect for fashion lovers who appreciate both style and coziness. Knitting dresses come in a range of designs, from fitted bodycon styles to loose, oversized sweater dresses. They can be made with lightweight yarn for warmer season or a thicker knit for a cooler month. The beauty of knitted dresses is in their texture. They add a soft feminine touch while still looking polished. Whether you prefer short sleeve knitted dresses, turtlenecks or sleeveless designs, there is always a flattering option for you. What makes both crochet and knitting dress styles stand out is how easy they are to wear, how comfortable they feel, and how stylish they look with minimal effort. So if you are someone who just loves looking good in a unique outfit, these styles are a must try. Make sure you stay tuned and watch till the end, because I'll be showing you a variety of designs you can save for inspiration or recreation for yourself or your client. Alright, so leave a comment telling me where you are watching from and which of the style is your favorite. And don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more fashion content, sewing tutorials and styling tips every week here on Joy's Fashion World. Thank you. Let's get into these amazing styles.